Good day. So I'm making this video to inform you of a lash tool that I want to bring to the market, and I want to know if I can get your support with it. For the last 15 years, I've been in the beauty industry, on and off, doing hair, lashes. Since that 15 years, or 15 years ago, I noticed that some women, including me, were having, a few issues with their lashes. I noticed that there weren't any tools available for the issues that they were having. For an example, me, I have a very, very curly lashes. And when I go into the department store or the beauty department and I look in, the lash area, the only tool really there, there aren't any. There aren't any tools to relax the eyelashes that are excessively curly. There are only tools that curl the lashes, right? Many of my brown skin sisters, well, some of us have very, very curly lashes, right? And when we go into the stores in the beauty section and look for something that will help us with that issue, we don't find that. Even so, there are other women who have issues with wild lashes, right? They're always having those wild lashes. They're going this way, they're going that way. And then, in general, some women who have the bone straight lashes are having issues with the tools that they're purchasing now. Those tools they're not curling their eyelashes like they want them to, right? So that's where this tool comes into picture. That's where my beauty tool, Lash Line, comes into picture. Lash Line is going to assist with eyelashes that are excessively curly, eyelashes that are wild, and eyelashes that are bone straight. So not only is Lash Line going to relax eyelashes that are very curly, it's going to align the wild eyelashes, and it's also going to curl the eyelashes. So Lash Line is going to be the world's first Lash Line is going to be the world's first heated eyelash straightener or relaxer, aligner, and curler. I believe that Lash Line is innovation in itself. I believe it's one of the future eyelash tools that all beauty professionals are going to want to have. They're going to want to have it next to them during service, They're going to want to have it personally to use themselves. So I'm asking those in the beauty industry, those who are lash professionals, and even those, regular day-to-day women, women who have eyelash curlers, who've already purchased eyelash curlers, women who've bought eyelash curlers and have thought, hey, this isn't doing it. This isn't doing the job. Lash Line is going to do the job. So I'm asking for assistance in bringing Lash Line into the market. And during the process, Lash Line will be sent to a few. And those few will be able to help me into sculpting the best product that we can have out in the market. So yeah, that is my dream, that is my passion project, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of women around the world that are wanting a tool like this. This is innovation at its finest, and I want women to be a part of this. I want professionals to be a part of this. So yeah, so this campaign is called Lash Line. You can find this campaign at ifundwomen.com. I'll leave a link under this video so that you can support if you choose to. If you're not able to, I ask that you spread the word, and yeah, I ask that you spread the word so we can get this out. I thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to listen to what I have to say to consider a future innovative lash tool. I know Lash Line is going to be a great product. It is a great product. I mean, just think about it. Before I go, I'm going to give you a picture of what I'm talking about, a general picture. So Lash Line is going to be, the size of it is going to be similar to, let's just say, the size of tweezers, right? And just like tweezers open and close, so will Lash Line. It will open and close. And at the base of it, instead of it having one extension, Lash Line, you're going to have two, right? It's going to open and close. And just like you see those straighteners, the thin ones that open and close, you can curl your hair with them, but you can also straighten your hair with them. That's what Lash Line is going to do. Just picture two lash wands together, right? And picture them being blended or molded at the very end of it. But also know that the very ends of the brushes have heat, right? And it's a very safe heating element, right? So that is my creation. And yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to listen about the future innovative lash tool. I think it's a great product. And yes, please share with your friends, your family, pretty much anyone who has a lash curler. I think this is it. I've been wanting to materialize Lash Line for a long time. And I just want to say that 15 years ago, I didn't have the mindset that I have now. So the mindset that I have now is go out there and get it. You're the one, you know. You're the one to make your dreams come true. You're the one that's going to make it happen. But you got to make moves. You got to open your mouth. So that's where I am right now. And please, thank you so much. Thank you so much.